Welcome everyone. June is here, and that means here in Southern California our school year is almost done, and so that means summer is coming to all of us in the Northern Hemisphere. Hello Southern Hemisphere people, you're in winter and you can enjoy music there as well, but here in this Northern Hemisphere it's summertime, and it's a great time to have a music adventure. Maybe do some things you wouldn't normally do during the other parts of the year because of the beautiful weather, because maybe you're on vacation, because maybe you have some extra time during the summer. And so I want to give you 10 ways today. In fact, Mango and I want to give you 10 ways 10 ways today that you can make music this summer. All right, let's go right to it. Here we go. Are you ready, Mango? 10 ways to make music. What? You're so excited. Okay. Do you want to do a little dance? No. Okay, 10 ways. The first thing you can do this summer is sing. You and I must make a pact. We must bring salvation back. Where there is love, I'll be there. Number 2, learn to play an instrument. I brought a bunch of different instruments out for you to look at, some of which I play and some of which I don't play, actually. Here's an instrument I'm just learning now. This is the bouzouki. It comes from the land of Greece, but it's finding its way around the world. And if you stay on to the end of the lesson today, I'll play a little bit of that for you. Summer, maybe you want to learn the melodica. Super fun and easy to play. Here's an instrument I don't know how to play at all, the flute. Okay, this was my daughter's. Long ago I played the clarinet, but this morning I think I practiced. I think I can get 2 notes. Let's see if I can get 2 notes today. I got 2 notes, yay. If I could learn 2 notes every day, then in 5 days I would know 10 notes in the flute. See how that works? Maybe for some of you it's the recorder. Maybe for some of you, get a pair of drumsticks and learn to play rhythm with their drumsticks. For some of you, you need a really simple instrument like the thumb piano. Some of you want to learn the guitar. Some of you might want to buy some sort of a drum and learn to play it. This is an African drum. Ukulele is an amazing instrument, super portable, and very easy to learn to play. Play the piano. Maybe some of you want to use your phone or your tablet as an instrument this summer, and you can learn to make music on that. Whatever it is that you want to learn this summer in terms of an instrument, go for it. If you're wondering what instrument to start with, perhaps start with the instruments that you already have around you and enjoy making music with instruments this summer. Number 3, learn music theory. Music theory, to me, doesn't sound like the most exciting topic, but I like to think of it maybe as the secrets of music. Or maybe if you're a sports person, just like your coach would send in plays for his sports team, the playbook of music. This is the way that we make music. Learning about music theory, what does it do for you? The more that you know, the easier it is, and the more fun you have. So music theory enables you to know more about music, therefore it makes it easier to make music with yourself and with others, and the more fun that you have. That's what music theory will do for you. So a couple resources, if you like old school resources, I would strongly suggest Alfred's Essentials of Music Theory, the complete one. I think there's 2 or 3 volumes, and you want to make sure you get the one with the recordings. They're about 25 or 30 United States dollars, and you can get those online or your local music store. So if you like paper and pen and you want something that you can hold in your hand, this is a tremendous resource and I highly recommend it. If you would rather go online, there is a wonderful website called musictheory.net, and it has lessons and exercises and tools. Let's see if I can get that close. Lessons and exercise and tools available on it, and you click on those and you can learn all kinds of different things on it. It's a great resource. I'll put the links for both of these down below. Number 4, dive deep into a musical style or artist. So maybe you want to look back at something where our music came from. Okay, here's an old radio from the 1930s. So perhaps you go, what was music like in the 1930s? And you go and find out that experience. Perhaps you hear some Mozart music and you're like very curious about what Mozart lived like, or what his musical styles, or what music he wrote for different instruments. Perhaps the blues. You want to look back and see the history of the blues. I encourage you, hip hop, rock, jazz, any of these styles are worthy of digging deep and enjoying and looking some of the roots of that music. Perhaps you'd like to write a song this summer. It's really not as hard as it seems, and the more that you write, the better that you'll get. I was just writing a song about bananas. I like bananas. I like bananas. Number 6, make rhythm in person or electronically. If you're making it in person, maybe just pick a pair of basic drumsticks. And practice. If you can't use a lot of noise, try doing it on something softer. Electronically in various ways. Number 7. The new modern way to make music, create music loops. Music loops are what a lot of DJs use in music, and also a lot of contemporary artists too. There's some easy to use software that's available for you. One is called Oxy or Oxy Pro, and you can download that for a few dollars. I think there's a free version, and then you have to pay a subscription, I believe, for the advanced levels. GarageBand is free if you have any iOS device, any Apple device. A couple weeks ago, I did a lesson on creating loops on the iPad. I'll put that link down below. And lastly, there's a free website called Chrome Music Lab, and Songmaker is in that. Create music loops, and you can create them there, and you can actually, on Songmaker, you can save it and then play it later. Save it, send it to your email, and you'll have it for later. Number 8 is Chrome Music Lab. This is great for all ages, but especially kids, or if you don't have a lot of resources available to you, Chrome Music Lab is free. It's on the internet. There are 14 games or experiments, and it's a great way to learn about music and also learn to make music. I especially like the Songmaker app and Melody Maker. And then there's another one where you actually create artwork, and the artwork creates music. Number 9 is make music with nature. Now, we often don't think of as nature being musical, but actually many parts of nature are very musical. The sound of water, the sound of rain, the sound of the wind in the trees. Certainly the sound of birds singing is very musical. So if you take a moment and connect and realize that these sounds that we make, these musical sounds, are not just isolated to humans, but really in all of nature, you'll find music. And take some time this summer to go out and enjoy the beauty of nature wherever you're at, and learn to appreciate the music that is there.
Put your hands in the air and clap for me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now keep that clap going for as long as you can. Please sing in the chorus. This is a song called Be My Husband by Nina Simone.
Oh, you caught me. You caught me. You just caught me. I was doing number 10 on our list, our last number on our list, number 10, watch musicals or concerts this summer. It's a great time to catch some of your favorite artists, hopefully in person or live if you can. Live music is awesome. I encourage you, any opportunity to go to Music Live, do that. But if not, on the TV or internet, there's so many concerts that have been recorded, so many old musicals that are awesome, and you're going to learn so much from those and enjoy them. Okay, so that's it. That's number 10. Thanks, everyone, for joining me today, and I hope that this summer you pick 1 or 2 or 3 of those things and have a blast making music this summer. Thanks for joining me again.